Hello and welcome back to another video by Cat. Today we are back with another crypto video. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching my videos. First of all, I just want to say it's been a real pleasure making videos and content for you guys. Today I just wanted to talk about the Atropa ecosystem and the PDAI ecosystem, Pulsechain ecosystem, and why I am still so bullish on this. And this is why my channel is mainly talking about Pulsechain, but video on Titan X really soon. If you guys been in my Telegram link in the description, my group chat, you would have already known that I've jumped on Titan this weekend with my miners and stuff like that. But video on Titan X, a more detailed one, soon. So join my Telegram link in the description so that you know what I'm already investing in, what information I get from other whales, and I relay it to you guys before I make a video. Sometimes waiting for YouTube videos is not the quickest way. So join my Telegram link in the description, say hello. Everyone else in the community is really nice, and yeah, we're ready for new people to come on board and ask all your questions, no matter if you're new to crypto or if you are an absolute expert. We want to hear everyone's thoughts and questions and anything really. But going back to it, ladies and gentlemen, we had a nice green day yesterday with almost everything in the Atropa ecosystem going 100% plus. Okay, and yeah, this is pretty crazy because you saw, guys, my last video last week. Was it this week? No, last week that I made the $1,000 investment, and you guys seen it where I invested it mostly. So yeah, it's good to know that the power of DCAing, dollar cost averaging, is really the way to go, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I mean? Because you can all of a sudden, small buys here and there, and then all of a sudden you have a bag that's almost like a, not a small fish, but like, I'm not gonna call myself a whale, obviously, but like a what's the word? Okay, not a whale. Let's see here, index screener. It shows it actually. Dolphin, maybe a dolphin. Yeah, dolphin who bought between 1,000 to 10,000. So yeah, all of a sudden you go from a small fish to a dolphin. You know what I mean? This is the power of DCAing. This is why I really like it. And then all of a sudden we get green candles like this. So this is what I want to tell you guys. I've been making a lot of videos about Atropa ecosystem. You know what I mean, guys? I still believe Teddy Bear is going to be the meme coin, okay, of this bull run. Yeah, I think it's going to be Shiba Inu. All right, let me know what you guys think. I think it's going to be like Shiba Inu over in Pulsechain. And PDAI, I still believe it's going to go to that $1. Look at this. Look at this. Now it costs around what, $640 to have a million PDAI. I have a million PDAI, so I'm really happy with my position. Maybe I should have bought another million, but I'm really happy with this, right? I need that other money to buy other bags. TSFI, I got 500 of it, so that's really good. So 500 is worth 865, so that's really good. And TSFI literally was at 0.8, so 80 cents, and now we're literally looking at almost $2. It's amazing right now. Atropa, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. For Atropa to be in a 1 billion, for Atropa to be a $1 per token, the market cap needs to be 1 billion, ladies and gentlemen. Do you understand how not far-fetched this is in terms of bull run numbers? The reason I say this, because when you go to how much Atropa I'm holding 200,000 tokens, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, 200,000 tokens. When this is at $1, you understand this is $202,000 right here that I'm holding from one bag. Forget about the returns that could happen from Teddy Bear, forget about from TS5, forget from SR, other stuff, PDAI itself. 200,000, ladies and gentlemen, that's life-changing money. This is the definition of working smart, not working hard, and crypto makes that possible. So I really hope I'm providing you guys with some crypto insider type of intel on how to just find the right things to invest in. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Listen, don't jump into every DeFi project you see. Okay, I don't want to throw out any names on stuff. And listen. You might call me a hypocrite, okay? Because I'm making like videos about the different forks on Caro Finance and stuff like that. That's all experimental, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? But the best thing to do, I'm not gonna lie right now, okay, is to, yes, generate passive income is amazing. Okay, some of these protocols don't really jump on it. But the ones I really like, okay, Pulse Strip, yeah, But the things that I really would say, okay, this is true definition of passive income is what, ladies and gentlemen? Liquidity pool supplying. Okay, I mean, yes, some farms here and there, but obviously remember, with farms you gotta depend about really, okay, because the mathematics behind a farm and the high APRs, the less people it is, the more APRs. So as soon as you enter it, and some people enter, the APR will keep going down and down and down. Okay, it's quite as simple as that. So that's why being early in those farms makes sense. But when we're talking about liquidity supplying, this is where it's literally true yield. Like there's no, Ponzonomics or anything. Okay, I just want to make this video. I know I sound like a hypocrite. Okay, but I just want to be really serious with you guys. Yes, some of the things that I make, it would be great to throw in some risk capital. You'll make some returns and stuff. But in terms of sustainability, no. In terms of, making a life-changing amount of money, I don't think so. Maybe unless you were in the pre-sale of P-Drip. Unfortunately, not me. I wasn't in P-Drip. Yes, I sound salty. I am. But, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of it is going to be, okay? Yes, I said liquidity supplying. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to show you guys a small segment of this video. We'll go to how to find really great liquidity supplying opportunities, okay? With like reduced impermanent loss. But impermanent loss is still something you need to really consider. But, a lot of it is buying and holding. The bull run is just around the corner. I was looking at this tweet that I want to highlight. The Franklin Bitcoin spot ETF comment period will now extend to the 3rd of January. The SEC typically reviews comments for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Therefore, although it's not guaranteed, this increases the probability of March approval of Bitcoin ETF. January is likely the favorite, though. Do they ever approve? Oh no, this comment's the one that I highlighted, right? January or March approval makes zero difference to those trying to front running the bull run. Okay, this is why I'm making these videos. The closer to the halving they approve it, the faster the price goes up when approved. TikTok next block. 100% with you. Well said. Okay. With that being said, actually, go follow me on my Twitter. I'm almost close to 200 followers, so do that. The next thing actually is that there was a nice meme from this guy. Really interesting. Discovering Bitcoin. Okay, so that's the discovering Ethereum. That's great. Discovering Pulsechain. Mind blown. Discovering Teddy Bear before 10,000x, bro. I was actually reading that. I was like, whoa. 10,000x from Teddy Bear, that's crazy, brother. Okay, but here, a further comment. If Shiba does a 10x from here, Teddy Bear only needs to be half of its market cap to pull off the 10,000x. The way to get there is by a strong online presence and a consistent memes. That's crazy. So honestly, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna lie to you. Send me memes over in the Telegram community link in the description. All right, it's right here. Like, I'm not hiding anything. There you go. It's 208 members. Pretty sick. People asking questions and stuff like that. Really helpful. And yeah. So join the Telegram, the farmers community, and share your memes. I actually really want to see crypto memes. That's one area that I haven't really delved into. So yeah, that would be interesting. Send me your memes. But yeah, that's the kind of the tweets I just wanted to showcase on both. And Teddy Bear, as I said, Atropa and TSFI. TSFI is one of those things that Maria, the 414 dev, literally said this is one of those tokens that will make the highest returns in the shortest amount of time, right? They said, I'm not sure if it's going to be true anymore, but $100 in TSFI before New Year's, which is absolutely crazy, because when we grab ourselves a calculator, which is actually down here, I already had it open. If we timed $100 by my $500 of TSFI, that's literally $50,000. Guys, I don't know about you, but this is literally already a life-changing amount of money to me. Okay, that could go to huge amount of savings. Obviously, that could go to investing in a business or kickstarting my business. Aside from crypto and stuff, you know what I mean. That's crazy. Like paying off some debt, paying off some stuff here and there. Beautiful stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, but yeah. Aside from that, obviously SRF. I'm very happy to say that I'm the top 10 holder here in SRF. very slept token right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Okay, this market cap peaked at 1.6, 2 million, almost 2 million, and right now it's at 32k market cap. I've been DCing crazy like this one. Okay, top 7 wallets. All right, so yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just gonna say same thing with where did the ETH go? I'm probably here top 20 wallets. Am I? I think I am. Yeah, I think I am top 20 wallets on this one. I got 3,000 ETH, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, 3,000 ETH, almost $1,000 worth. And I'm proud. I kept DCing. I was literally so happy to know that the price went down, and obviously it went down with the whole, Oh, 3,100 actually, that's not bad. It went down with the whole, 9-inch being so bearish and stuff like that, which, it's bearish. It is what it is, right? But where did the ETH go? It's kind of not that linked to 9-inch, even though it's kind of made by the same person, I believe. It's still, it's its own meme. It will do its own thing when the bull run comes, where this joke is more of a truth, right? Where did the ETH go? Oh, where did the liquidity go in ETH? People are going to buy this up like a meme coin. It's going to be crazy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, honestly, that's kind of the video I wanted to talk about. The final thing is really, I saw a comment where someone said, how do you actually cash out, or how do you transfer from one coin to another? I'm going to leave a link in the description to Change Now. It's literally my favorite and the only exchange that I've been using to cash out to my bank immediately, by the way, from literally crypto. So straight from PLS, like literally, look, click here. Just say you want to sell, let's say Pulse, to anything really, and then you can literally trading pair, not not on Pulse yet, all right, but literally anything else, ETH, BNB. Let's say you want to sell like 10 BNB, you can get it to euros. Obviously I'm in the UK, so GBP, right? You click exchange, guys, literally money straight in my bank account in less than 10 minutes. It's lovely in ChangeNow.io. Same thing with exchanging, ladies and gentlemen. I can literally exchange ETH to Pulse, like straight. You know what I mean? The maximum amount you can do it 0.2 at one time. So obviously you have to do this maybe multiple times if you're trying to do more than 7 million Pulse per time. Right? And this changes, by the way. This changes around the time of the day, etc., etc. It's beautiful, and obviously you can do it the other way around. For example, you know what I mean? So the minimum here to send over to Ethereum is 60,000 Pulse, which is pretty, small amount. Even if you're not a big, investor, if you want to switch things up from cross-chain, Change Now does it all. The one-stop shop for exchanging, right? It doesn't ask you for anything other than just your bank account, sends it straight to it there. Not much to do with, where's your address? We need to approve you. Why are you doing this? How much are you making? Etc. No. Whatever you want to send it, you can do it. The same thing with buying. You can buy crypto straight from here, ladies and gentlemen. This is great. This is what I like. You know what I mean? Don't ask questions. Just do what I want, basically, type of thing. You know what I mean? It's an exchange. I like it. Link in the description. This is, my way of switching tokens to Pulse, so I can enter in Pulsechain. And this is my way of selling my tokens to my bank account if I wanted to cash out, which I haven't really been doing much because I've been reinvesting in all of this, ladies and gentlemen. And you know what I mean? This is what I'm betting on in the bull run. This is the true me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not hiding nothing. Yes, I do have another bull run hold right here, which my whale friends are telling me about and holding. But as I said, I'm going to only keep that for my members only videos, where I'm going to tell you guys literally what my friend whales are literally holding. People who have years of experience, who went through multiple bull runs, multiple bear markets, and they know what they're talking about. Obviously, I'm not still not financial advice, and I'll never be a financial advisor. But it's extremely valuable information where I feel like I need to value it, right? Where if you become a member, I will literally pay you back that value in terms of intel about what to hold for this bull run 2024. Not financial advice, obviously, but this is what my friend whales are holding. This is what I'm holding, and I've already made good ass returns. Okay, but still bull run's not here yet. But the bull run could be coming as soon, sooner than we think, really, ladies and gentlemen, right? Bitcoin is looking really great. The price, as you guys know, as Bitcoin goes up, everything reflects just the way it is, right? Does that mean I'm gonna actually invest in Bitcoin? Not really. Okay, the price is too big for it to do any amount of X's that are significant to me. Not really. And number two, just knowing the fact that so many big whales are in Bitcoin, where like what did they say? 40% of all Bitcoin supply is in like what is it? What did they say? Yeah, in like a small amount of in a minority wallet. That's not great. Okay, and you got so many companies, governments owning 1% plus of Bitcoin. That scares me a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that scares me a little bit. I don't want to be in Bitcoin. I'm happy to be in Pulsechain, man. We got everything here. We got Bitcoin, which is Hex, basically, over in Pulsechain. We got Uniswap, which is Pulsex and better. You know what I mean? We got Pulsechain itself. We got tokens from Ethereum here and better. I was able to buy Bitcoin way before it reached $100, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. I have 35 and I'm proud. 35 and Bitcoin price is still at 78.6. Things are getting closer. I mean, I know the chart here is looking okay, not really much movements and stuff, but hey, don't sleep on this. I'm just saying, not financial advice. When I say sleep on it, I just mean don't not do your research on this, okay? But ladies and gentlemen, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you an insight, let you guys know, okay? Sometimes there is no signal when there's going to be a green day. It just will happen. So when the God candle comes, it'll just be too late. You cannot predict the future, okay? You cannot predict the future unless you sell your soul to the devil. Don't do that. Don't do that. I just finished watching a movie that's actually about that. Don't do that. Believe in God and stuff like that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in another video. Take care. Follow my Twitter. Subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And yeah, I guess my final thing I'll say is just join my Telegram link in the description. I've seen a lot of people who asked me who are very new to crypto. Honestly, I've been thinking about first of all, watch my how to invest in Pulsechain. That's a great starter video. If you still need a more in-depth maybe type of tutorial about how to literally get into crypto as a whole, and then how to get into Pulsechain as a whole, and how to understand how to a lot of things within Pulsechain and stuff, let me know. I think I'm gonna invest some time aside to develop a crypto course that gets you from zero to hero, with all the information that I know about crypto. Did you put it in one nice course about crypto, about Pulsechain, about DeFi, etc. So let me know, honestly. I just want to see your feedback. Aside from that, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Atropa, PDAI, Pulsechain, bullish. Hex, I'm a Hexakin. Proud Hexakin. You know what I mean? We could see X going to $1, $5 this bull run. I'll be happy, man. I would be happy. So I'm going to carry on DCing in all of those. And yeah, videos very soon, okay? I'm going to leave that towards the end of the video because this is where people don't really watch the whole video through. But I'm going to make videos about UpX, TitanX this week, all right? So stay tuned on that. Stay tuned. Very bullish on those three. I'll see you later, guys. Take care.